Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kinder Optimization. We hope you guys are all good and spending a perfect day. This Sunday will be Easter weekend. We hope Easter blooms with happiness for all of you guys. Have a great time. Today we have brought some interesting topics for you guys. 12 types of SEO. Not 1, not 2, not 5, all the 12 types of SEO. So, we cover almost all topics about YouTube SEO, like: what is YouTube optimization? How to execute YouTube optimization? All the basic tips for YouTube optimization. How to avoid mistakes from YouTube optimization and how to fix them? We hope that we can teach you guys properly. We want you guys to know about our channel properly first. Our channel is all about teaching you insanely actionable SEO, link building and content marketing strategies that you can use to grow your business. Our goal is to provide a perfect way of learning in the future. Like how to start your YouTube channel. How to optimize your YouTube channel? Basic tips for optimization. How to avoid mistakes in YouTube optimization and much more. New viewers, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family and tell us in comment what you guys want to learn. Stay tuned till the end. Let's start our topic. So, today our topic is on the types of SEO. 12 types of SEO. The term SEO, search engine optimization, refers to improving the visibility of your site in Google search results for relevant keywords or search phrases. SEO helps in generating website traffic naturally. Online consumers are more likely to choose one of the top 10 results from a search engine when searching for a service or product. These 10 results are top picks because they are well written and fully optimized with SEO. There are about a dozen different types of SEO that can help a website rank better on search engine results pages. 12 types of SEO. 1. White hat SEO. When you hear someone say white hat SEO, it means your SEO practices are in compliance with the terms and conditions of major search engines, including Google. White hat SEO improves your search engine rankings on the SERPs while regulating the integrity of your website through search engine terms of service. White hat SEO practices are the best way to create a successful website. Here are some whitelist SEO practices that you must strictly follow. I. Use keyword-rich meta tags. 2. Provide high-quality services and content to website visitors. 3. Make your website easy to navigate. 2. Black hat SEO. Black hat SEO exploits weaknesses in Google's search algorithm to rank higher in search results. Spam or paid link building tactics, keyword stuffing, cloaking, etc. are used to improve search engine results. These practices have an immediate effect, but if Google detects them, they can have a negative impact on your site. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid black hat SEO. 3. Gray hat SEO. This is a riskier SEO practice than white hat SEO. This is because gray hat SEO practices do not fall into the white hat or black hat category because the terms and conditions of the matter are not clear. However, Using gray hat SEO practices will not result in a website being banned from search engines. In short, you are publishing poorly defined articles or content according to gray hat SEO. Understanding gray hat SEO practices can prevent your website from losing traffic because you will be well aware of the negative consequences, which will help you adopt fair practices. 4. On-page SEO. On-site SEO refers to the practice of optimizing elements of a website, such as content and HTML code, to improve its ranking on search engine results pages and drive more relevant traffic to the website. This is different from off-site SEO, which involves optimizing for external factors such as backlinks and social media mentions. SEO keyword research. It involves identifying relevant search terms, keywords, that users are searching for and strategically integrating these keywords into website content to increase search engine visibility and relevance. Quality SEO content. Quality SEO content means creating user-friendly and SEO-friendly content by focusing on the needs and interests of your target audience. Using relevant keywords, driving links and shares to improve search engine rankings. Internal linking for SEO. SEO internal linking involves placing links within a website to link related pages together to improve user experience and help search engines understand a website's hierarchy and content. Metadata SEO optimization. Metadata SEO optimization involves optimizing HTML elements such as title tags, and meta descriptions to accurately and concisely convey the content of the page to search engines and users. To improve page visibility and relevance in search engine results pages, SERPs. Image SEO optimization. Image SEO optimization is the process of optimizing a website's images with descriptive file names, alt tags, and titles to improve user experience and search engine visibility with the goal of generating more website traffic through Google image search. URL structure. URL structure refers to the way a website URL is organized and designed, incorporating relevant keywords to help search engines understand what a website is about and improve rankings, while improving user experience and facilitating link building efforts. 5. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, also known as off-page SEO, is the practice of improving a website's search engine rankings by optimizing factors other than the website itself. This can be achieved by creating high-quality backlinks, promoting the website on social media, and other forms of online marketing. The goal is to increase your website's authority, reputation, and relevance in the eyes of search engines, which can lead to higher search engine rankings and more organic traffic to your website. Guest blogging. Guest blogging is a popular off-page SEO tactic for building backlinks. This is when you write an article for another site and include a backlink to your site in return. This can increase your website's visibility and authority, and drive more traffic to your website. HARO. Respond to inquiries from journalists to gain media exposure and earn SEO backlinks. Competitor research and analysis. Place paid advertisements on external websites and search engines to drive traffic and generate leads to a website or business, ultimately increasing its online visibility. Press distribution. Share press releases with relevant media to secure backlinks, generate leads, and increase brand awareness. Brand signals. Brand mentions in SEO refer to a brand's online presence and reputation, generated through activities such as social media shares, online directory listings, and mentions on other websites. These signals can help search engines determine the authority and trustworthiness of a brand and have a positive impact on search engine rankings. 6. Technical SEO. Technical SEO involves performing website optimization to help search engines crawl and index a website more easily, thus improving its search engine ranking. This includes tasks such as optimizing site load times, making sure robot.txt files are configured correctly, and redirects are set up correctly. The goal of technical SEO is to make a website more accessible and user-friendly for search engines and website visitors. Site load time. Website load time optimization involves improving website speed and performance to provide better user experience and achieve higher search engine rankings. Mobile friendliness. Mobile compatibility means that the website design and functionality are optimized for viewing on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It ensures that the website is responsive to different screen sizes, loads quickly and is easy to navigate on mobile devices. Crawl error identification. Crawl identification is the process of finding and resolving errors that are preventing search engines from accessing your website content. These errors can include broken links, missing pages, and other issues that can negatively affect search engine visibility. By fixing crawl errors, website owners can improve their site's search engine ranking and overall visibility. Keyword cannibalization audit. Keyword cannibalization auditing is the process of identifying and fixing instances of multiple pages on a website that are competing for the same or similar keywords, which could lead to poor search engine visibility and a decrease in overall organic performance. Duplicate content audit. Duplicate content auditing involves identifying and fixing instances of duplicate content on your website that can negatively affect your search engine rankings. Site structure. Website architecture refers to the process of creating a clear and structured website structure that makes it easier for users and search engines to browse and understand the content of the website. A clear website structure also improves user experience by making it easier for visitors to find the information they are looking for. 8. International SEO. International SEO increases organic traffic to your website from different regions and languages. If you want to be successful in international SEO, you must cater to the cultural background of your target market and let them handle their currency and language. Use the correct date and time format based on the listed location. If they have any concerns, speak to them in their native language. International SEO is all about creating a great online experience for your target audience. 8. Local SEO. A local SEO strategy for local businesses is one of the most important types of SEO because it helps businesses become more visible in Google's local search results. Local SEO helps companies reach local audiences by analyzing their behavior through trillions of searches. If you use local SEO practices, your local business has the opportunity to rank higher in both search results and local map packages. This, in turn, helps grow your business and increase traffic to your website. 9. E-commerce SEO. E-commerce SEO is one of the best ways to get traffic through paid search, but SEO costs are much lower. It helps to build your online store website to rank higher whenever someone searches for a product or service. It is important for your website to appear in the SERPs, otherwise, you will lose important access to potential and qualified e-commerce customers. If competitor research is done, focus on homepage SEO, and website architecture properly, then e-commerce SEO can be done for your website to bring in traffic and increase search volume. 10. Content SEO. Another name in the list of SEO types is content SEO. It refers to creating unique content, be it text, graphics or video, to build your website and rank it higher in the SERPs. There are 3 things to consider when using content SEO: copywriting, site structure, and keyword strategy. Balancing these 3 is very important, because without quality content, your website will not appear in search results. Also, checking content after publication is just as important as checking content before publishing. Track the performance of your content. Make the necessary changes, add new products, and apply various strategies to expand your site's reach. 11. Mobile SEO. Mobile SEO is a term used to describe optimizing a website for search engines while ensuring that it can display properly on devices such as phones and tablets. If customers have a bad experience with a brand on mobile, they may never return. If you want your customers to have the best possible experience, you need to implement this type of SEO. It is important to ensure that the style, structure and page speed of your site do not affect mobile users. 12. Negative SEO. Negative SEO is a distasteful and unethical type of SEO that is practiced today. The goal of negative SEO is to lower your competitors' search rankings so you can outpace them or gain an advantage. Bad SEO techniques include hacking into someone's website and creating a large number of questionable low-quality links, posting negative reviews or comments about them on various internet forums and discussion boards, etc. Getting caught in a bad SEO attempt can lead to all kinds of legal problems with consequences. Alright. Well, this is everything for this video. Thank you much for joining us today. Give this video a like if you learned something. If you something valuable out of it. If you have tips now that you are going to start implementing on your next video, and of course consider subscribing. If you learn even more about to grow here on YouTube, or you are interested in starting your own online business, which is the main thing I will talk about on my channel. We are Kinder Optimization. Thank you so much for joining us today. I will see you in next video.